Uganda eketerana n'amahanga gandi okukuza hamwe n'okujaguza ekiro ky'abakazi kandi ab'ishomero ya Bon Council Girls School muri Singiro nabo begisire n'abandi okukuza ekiro eki omu mikoro ekorirwe ah'ishomero ryabo muri Singiro.
Through a woman, Mother Mary. Eve brought sin into the world, but Mother Mary gave birth to the Savior of the world. From that time, a woman started to be liberated. But all the same,
emikoro etandikire n'ekitambo kya misa ekyebembero Reverend Father John Bosco Katuramo ahabwo kusiima Ruhanga ahabwo ekiconco ky'abeegi babishiki omu ishomero eri hamwe n'ekitiinisa n'obugabe bw'omukazi ebi gavumenti ya President Museveni yabasize kugarura busya.
His Excellency is always reserving the vice presidency to a woman which was used not to be here. Let's clap for him and give him a shout. Yes, indeed, we are ladies with those beautiful, smooth, sharp voices. Can I hear them? Yes.
Ekyokubanza kya byona ntubanza tubatiraho okubegesa omukyara ashemiye kutwaza ata kandi tugaruka nitwabashomesa tubabera icyo kureberaho kirungi omukujwara nambwe nitwajwara gerizo babashomesa abana bari bo mukyara jwara ata
bitaba nabashaba gavumenti okubasa kushagika amashomero g'abantu buntu private schools na mnonga agarukushomesa abana babishiki okongera kugunjura kurungi abejaba na mnonga abino burema hamebiri yabo okubasa kurugamu abo mugashonye ncyakare ahabo kuba bine abeji abankomwe atakureba kongara kutere ngomina omurundo gumwe kandi arweshongora na kwaya yekerezia.
That education can easily liberate a woman. If my parents never took me to school, I don't think I would be standing here. They liberated me. So they looked at education as a tool that can liberate ladies. Now, the main reason why your parents brought you here, they want you to get those good jobs.
Tuyo ntwegesa abana yitomu kwakira abana twinemu n'abana ba special needs twina abana babishiki abatakweza ki abo mbwene tushaba government kongere kutuhereza ebitabo byabo byo kushomeramo kugira ngo nawo mwana wo mushiki akureje no barata kwezaje konkana wabe namangwa ino mwanya omubandi kandi ekindi nitwetaga government ntushaba government kutuyamba ntushomesa abana ebintu by'emikono hands on. For example tuineho abana bitwantu training okudecorating okunda
izobe nagira umugisha go interactinga ngasho kugambana na abana batahi banje binashangaho abamwe binasigire bakiri bato mnonga nashanga bakuzire kandi cyampereza amashemero mingi mnonga because bariyo mbakora kuba bishiki bo mugasho abishiki bakwekunda abishiki bakumanya icyo gukora kandi oreba ngwihanga byine ebyo misho birungi through these girls abinashanga
abeji borekere entaranta zitari zimwe na zimwe obwe barukurabira ombyo buhangwa bwabo nk'amazina ebitebyo n'ebindi kandi Grace Mera Mpeire washomera ishomereri obwe hatariyo nashoma obushaho omu university ya Rera akurire mu college nikwe kwayo obuhabuzi omubeji
mnonga theme yo mwako gwebire negira ngu give to gain so nabanimbagira ngu tukahereza cyotine. You cannot empower others without empowering yourself first. So now nibajang through okushomoku bariyo mbaraba mwaha hardbon consider ba making sure ngo ba utilizing buri skill yo niba kubasa kufuna bege okuhandika gye bege okugamba gye bege okwetwaza gye nk'abishiki b'omugasho kugira ngo kubarahike aha za university okwayituri babase kuba nabo bakora ebintu by'amaani.